Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about MJ. Now, you can see here on the daily chart, we have our fib retracement drawn, and you see that we've broken this 50-day moving average. But good news is that worst case, we're going to bounce right off the 61.8 fib retrace level. So you can see that we broke the 50, we broke the 50.0 fib retracement, and now we're just kind of going to sit right in between here between the 61 and the 50% fib retracement. So going forward, what are we really looking at? Well, we're looking at those two levels, which is basically right around, let's just call it 1950, and right around, let's just say 22 and a half. So about 2250, 1950. That gives you a nice $3 range in there where we might consolidate for a next move higher. Now, this is all good news. Why? Because look at these bands right here. Super tight here on the daily. And actually, we are down here. We're oversold. If you're just playing the Bollinger Bands, you can see that we're actually getting ready to breach this lower one. So that is good if you're playing bullish, because now we're looking for a pop to the upside. Now, what do we look for when we look for bands that we see a squeeze? All right, well, we see a tightening. Well, what are we looking at next? Well, we're looking at RSI, stochastics, anything that is showing some weakness or some showing that the stock is oversold. And that's what we have right here. RSI is oversold, stochastics oversold. So going forward, worst case, I don't think it's going to get any worse than this 1950 anytime soon. So if we do come down there and touch those 19 and a halves, look for a nice pop. There is going to be some footing in here right around the $20 range as well. So I would say that 21st, and then worst case is going to be that 19 and a half, but really 20 is going to be your first support in there. Options chain wise, everything in here is really cheap. So you can go as far as you want. You can go May, June, July. Everything's pretty cheap in here. For your monthly expiration tomorrow, about 30-cent expected move. May monthly is $2, and your June monthly is about $3 expected move in here. So again, going forward, we're going to be in between this 50 and this 61% fib retrace. And if we do get a breach of this 22 and a half, look for a break and hold of this 50-day moving average. That's going to give us a lot of it's going to tell us a lot about the stock going forward if we can break and hold that going forward. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.